1 mile kilo and we're every 2 knots.
Ever think about how many people help you when you travel by air? You may not see us at work, but the Civil Aviation Authority of Macau Special Administrative Region plays an important part in making your trip from and to Macau a success. Macau, ideally located as an aviation hub in China's dynamic Pearl River Delta, is a thriving tourist and business destination in Asia with historic sites classified as UNESCO World Heritage. Here, behind the scenes, we are working to keep it a safe, convenient, and pleasant place for air travelers. The CAA is a governmental regulatory body separate from Macau's airport or air carriers, committed to guaranteeing the safe and efficient development of aviation in Macau. Devising and enforcing local aviation laws and regulations, as well as setting safety and security standards, are our responsibilities. We ensure the compliance with ICAO standards and Macau aviation laws and regulations by local operators, locally registered aircraft, and licensed technical personnel. In all these ways and more, we make sure that safety is strictly maintained in this highly regulated industry. Recent economic growth in the Pearl River Delta region has brought more air traffic. To solve congestion problems and manage air traffic more effectively, aeronautical authorities from mainland China, Hong Kong, and Macau meet regularly every year and have already devised a long-term plan for the region's airspace planning and implementation targeted for 2020. Our safety regulations and guidelines are based on ICAO standards and recommended practices. Results from our participation in a Universal Safety Oversight Audit Program have proved that Macau's safety oversight work is in compliance with ICAO standards. We do not just make things safer and easier for passengers, we also make it easier for foreign governments and companies to bring their business here. An open aviation policy keeps Macau's air transport up to date in a constantly developing market and benefits all sectors of the local economy, especially trade and tourism. In fact, Macau adopts the most liberal criteria listed by ICAO. We review air services agreements and memoranda of understanding on a regular basis to assure their terms and conditions are suitable for market development. In this way and in others, the CAA is proactive in negotiations with the aeronautical authorities of other countries to open up the air transport market. Increasing tourist figures and the introduction of low-cost routes have boosted our aviation sector. Private flights have also reported significant growth. In line with the government's goal of market diversification, the aviation sector strives to attract both local and overseas airlines. The Macau Special Administrative Region government also provides support for airport infrastructure development. For example, we work closely with industry operators and government bodies in studying and planning for the expansion of Macau International Airport and for coordinating transport between the airport and other parts of the Pearl River Delta region. We monitor the operation of navigation systems in the airport. We provide technical support to the airport in the replacement of obsolete equipment, like a current project for modernizing the CNS systems. The CAA has also been reaching out to boost cooperation in the region by taking part in cooperative programs such as ICAO's COSCAP-C, CAPSCA, and CASP-AP. For the purpose of sharing resources, we have signed cooperation arrangements on mutual acceptance of approval of aircraft maintenance organizations and mutual acceptance of airworthiness certification with mainland China and Hong Kong. In addition, we have signed protocols respectively with mainland China and France on investigation of aircraft accident and incident. We make sure that all our staff are professionally trained to carry out inspections and are fully armed with the adequate knowledge and expertise to assess circumstances. Our most important goal is excellence in all aviation activities in Macau while constantly maintaining our stated values of integrity, responsibility, professionalism, and teamwork. The CAA is proud to play a part in this exciting era for Macau as guardians of the air.